Here we're in the veggie garden and we've been away for a few weeks. You can see the tomatoes have just gone crazy. So to stop mildew, we've got a big pipe, metal pole in the middle here, see? And we're tying everything to that. We've also got some stakes and we tie the stakes to the metal pole to support the stakes because that isn't strong enough on itself to hold all the fruit that we've got on the tomatoes. Good problem to have. But we find this metal stake, which came off a shearing farm. It's probably over 100 years old, works really well. And if we tie it in all directions, it seems to be fine. So you can see we've got one in this one as well. And these tomatoes aren't quite as advanced, they don't quite get as much sun as the ones on the left. But the trick is to prune off any fruit that's been eaten or whatever, and if it's has already started to go red, I would keep it so you can keep the seeds out of it. Yeah, prune off any branches that are leaves that are going yellow, like I'll prune that one off there. And then also any branches that are too close to the ground, like that one there, because it'll get splashed back, and you don't want that. But you also want to remove some of the branches as well to let air movement through so you don't get mildew. So as you can see here, we've got a branch that went up and then we've got a fork, so that one can come off. This one here can stay on too if we want. But you always get these little ones here. You can either pull them out like that, or you can let them grow. So this one's growing and that one will have the fruit, this one won't. So you don't want too much fruit, otherwise the whole plant will fall over, but you also want some fruit as well. So I've still got quite a lot to do.